Our project title is Enhanced Accident Identification System for Indicating Victim Status using LabVIEW. Here we are seeing the hardware and software which has been developed using LabVIEW. Prior get inside the functionality of the entire system, we have to configure the hardware and software. First of all, interface the hardware with LabVIEW software through serial port RS-232 to USB converter by installing the corresponding driver software and configure in device manager window. Switch on the Bluetooth in the mobile phone and laptop and interface both by assigning the communication port.
Now we are going to set the heartbeat minimum value and maximum value, and also the temperature minimum value and maximum value.
We are entering mobile number of emergency care center and optional mobile numbers. Now we have included 2 numbers. If we want, we can add many numbers and change the number also.
Now we are going to see what are all the various modules available in our system. First of all, this is the heartbeat monitoring system using IR sensor and temperature sensor using LM35 and coma recovery system. It consists of pricking unit and accelerometer. Then this is the limit switch and this is the level converter for serial port communication, and this is the PIC microcontroller, and this is LCD display, and then this is the driver software, and the most important one is GPS module. This is used for find out the location, correct?
Now we are going to see the function of the entire system. First of all, start the ignition switch. Then the system checks whether the person wear the seat belt or not. After wearing the seat belt, the vehicle will be ignited and the status will be displayed indicating the vehicle is normally running. Here, vehicle indicating through lamp. The present status has been displayed. At the bottom of front panel, data status box. The limit switch and piezo crystal vibration sensor combinedly gives the signal at same time. Then only the system identifies the accident has been taken place. Then the system identifies the accident location through GPS model. Now the controller sends the victim's physiological parameters and location of accident to LabVIEW window through microcontroller unit.
This is GPS location value. This is transmitting mobile. This is receiving mobile.
At present, we are considering temperature, heartbeat and coma status as the physiological parameters of the victims. The temperature is sensed through LM35 and the heart rate monitored using IR sensor. The coma recovery model consists of pricking unit with needle and accelerometer. Once the accident occurs, the pricking unit will be prick the victims and the motion status of the victims will be sensed through accelerometer and transmitted to LabVIEW. Now all the physiological parameters such as temperature, heart rate, coma stage status, location has been transmitted to LabVIEW. And the same time in LabVIEW will be transmitted to the GSM model. Here we are using mobile phone through Bluetooth communication. The motion of the coma stage victim will be sensed through accelerometer. The corresponding values will be displayed in XYZ and the coma status indicator will glow in green. We have provided a provision for indicating small accident, that is the person are not affected badly, they can press the push button.
Once accident is occurred, after we reset the entire controller. Now accident is occurred, but person not affected, injured. So we are not send the message. So we press this button. The message not sent, but displayed small accident.